While the country recording an improvement in the conviction rate over the past 12 months, Attorney General Senator the Honorable Carl Bethel attributed the improvement to the work of his team in the Department of Public Prosecutions. His comments came during the first sitting of the Supreme Court Wednesday, marking the start of the legal year.
Of 529 scheduled trials, only 150, roughly 28.36 trials were completed. We must do better than that. Of the 132 trials completed, 103 resulted in convictions, while 29 resulted in acquittals, which now represents an overall improved conviction rate for the prosecution service, which at last year's statistics stated that their conviction rate was 70%. It is now 78% for the past year conviction rate.
Bethel indicating that the time has been reduced for service of voluntary bill of indictment papers, documents which fast-track cases to Supreme Court for trial.
Of scheduled cases that were scheduled last year, 36.67% were served with a voluntary bill of indictment, and thereby this will enable those matters to be fast-tracked to the Supreme Court. It should also be noted that the average time for an individual to be served with a voluntary bill of indictment has now fallen to an average of 2 months, which is a significant improvement because it also contributes to reducing the time, particularly for serious matters, to come before the Supreme Court.